This is a video of my Kingcraft AF spanner set. It goes up. I've just got this goes from 3/8 up to 3/4, but I've also got this older 15/16 one, and I've had the 15/16 one for about 20 years. And the others I just recently got in a set. It goes in this little wallet as well. There's where they sit. I think they're probably from the Tools of Best Values from Kingcraft International. Best forged alloy, 3/8 to 3/4 SAE. Yeah. And one's fallen on the ground. Yeah, but they're made in Japan. And they're really great quality spanners. They're nice and long, and I reckon they're pretty underrated. These ones that are in the wallet, this one, 15/16, it's just loose, but yeah, they've been really well kept. Yeah, they're pretty rare, I think, but they're great. Okay, that's the Kingcraft spanner set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 7 of the AF were in the wallet, and this one is separate. Great to get a metric set. I don't know if they did them in metric back then, but yeah, really good. Kingcraft alloy at 3/8. It says C12 there. 7/16, C14, half-inch. C16, C14, 16. 9/16, C18, 5/8, C20. 11/16, C22, and so on and so forth. Yeah, I reckon they're grass. All right.